guys, welcome back to my channel. So in the previous video I had explained the select class in Selenium and how do we use select class to handle the drop downs in Selenium using its method. And in the previous video I had already explained you the functionality of select by visible text method of the Selenium, this one. And now we have two more methods that are frequently used while handling the drop downs of the using the select class, and they are select by index and select by value. So first of all we will see select by index. So select by index, what does it do? This method select the drop down option by its index number. We provide an integer value as the index number as an argument and possess the following syntax. This is the syntax. Simply we simply call the select by index, and as the argument we pass an integer value which is the corresponding index number for the option. So what does it mean? Let me show you from the example from the sample page. So I have this sample web page for automation practice. So you can see here we have one drop down which is this, and in the previous video I had shown you I had created the web element for this drop down using the XPath, and then I had created the object for the select class using the syntax select equals to new select, and as the argument I have passed this web element. Okay, so using this object we had called select by visible text method, and we selected particular option from the drop down. So first of all let's open this developer tool and see the HTML DOM for this particular drop down. So you can see we have this select tag here, and in the options for this drop down menu, for every option we have this attribute value and we have visible text, and for all of these options there is a corresponding index number which is assigned to this option, and this index number starts from 0. So for the option 1 the index number will be 0. So if I want to use select by index number, let me call it here select by index, and as the argument I want to pass any integer, say 1. Okay, so this select by index it takes the integer value, and this index for any drop down starts from 0. What does it mean? So for the first option in this case, that is automation testing, the index number will be 0. So if I want to select automation testing, I will have to pass the index number as 0, and then if I want to select the second option, then I will be passing the index number as 1. Just like an array, the array index always starts from 0. So this index also starts from 0. And for the third value, you have to pass the index number 2. So let's say I want to select the fourth option, which is database testing. So in that case, I will have to select 0, 1, 2, 3 here. So let's pass 3 here, and we will see whether it is selecting the third value here. In this case, what should be the third value? The third value 0, 1, 2, 3 is database testing. So it should select database testing. So let's run the program and see if it is working properly. Okay, so I have run the program and it is preparing to launch the browser. So the browser has been launched, the particular URL has been opened, and now you can see database testing has been selected. Okay. Similarly, if I want to use another method which is select by value, which takes the attribute of the attribute value here. So in this case, the value of the first option is automation, the value of the second option is performance, and the value of the third option is manual. Okay, so we have to pass the values of this particular attribute value. Okay, whatever option we want to select. So let's see, I'm using again here, let's call it here, okay, select by value, and in this case I want to select, say, manual. Okay, so I'm copying it here, from here, and passing here, and then I want to print here the required option is selected. Let's write here using select by value method. Okay. Let's change the format so that it will look good. Okay, so now I'm running this program. So first, the value database testing should be selected, which will be done by this select by index 3, and then manual testing should be selected, which will be done by select by value method. Okay, so I am running the program. You can see. So it is launching the web page. The web page is getting open, and now you can see database testing and then manual testing. Okay, so you can see we can simply use these methods, these three methods: select by visible text, which I have shown you in the previous video, and then select by index, and then select by value to select any value from any drop down. Okay, so this is it for this video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for this video, and share my channel with your people who want to learn automation testing. And please leave your feedbacks and suggestions in comment section so that I can create more useful videos for you guys. Thank you guys. Bye.